Hi, this is Neil Schneider for Meant to Be Seen. We're at NABSHOW, or National Association of Broadcasters. I'm joined by Robert Yarosh. And Robert Yarosh is going to talk to us about JVC's latest innovations in the world of 3D. Welcome to the program, Robert.
Well, thank you. Thank you.
Now, we're very excited about what we're seeing at the JVC booth. I'm seeing several 3D HD TVs. Tell us about the HD TVs.
What we're showing here, actually the first one here is a 4K display, very high resolution here. Then the next model down here, the 46-inch, this is a model that will be out early next year, more than likely. And then a 32-inch, which price-wise we're looking anywhere starting at, strangely enough, $5,000, $9,000, $90,000.
These
4K is $90,000. You double the resolution, actually quadruple the resolution. It's going to cost you.
Okay. Are we looking at anything targeted towards the consumer markets? Like what price range are we looking at?
What we're seeing here is product that is for the production side of things. This is of course NAB, and this is where we sell to the producers of video. And what you're seeing here, for instance, the Pixar animated material. This is stuff that companies like Pixar and DreamWorks have actually committed to producing 3D in all their animation from this point on. So we provide the monitors that help them to evaluate their 3D effects in their production. There's also the smaller monitor down there is actually showing footage from television broadcasts that have already been aired, such as Chuck episodes and football games and NASCAR races that have been done in 3D on air live. So we're able to demonstrate live 3D as well as animated 3D and computer generated 4K 3D here.
So what I'm gathering is that the units that we're showing here, I take it they're demonstration models at this point. They are not actually on the market just yet.
Not on the market yet. Actually, we do have these models provided to certain facilities, not able to name names at this point in time. But the screens are being used in certain facilities under current productions going on, and primarily the process is what's referred to as circular polarization. And this is something where you've got to put the glasses on to see it, but it's one of these things with circular polarization, you could be laying down on a couch if you want to and still see the full 3D effect. And with HD as the source material for this 3D, you're seeing the full resolution HD and getting the full 3D effect.
So just so I'm clear, are these 1080p solutions?
These are 1080p screens, yes they are, and 1080p source material.
Okay, and when we're talking about circular polarization, what I gather is you have the full flexibility to tilt your head without losing the 3D effect.
That's right, that's correct.
Now what about, is it an interlace solution when it comes to vertical resolution?
Well, what you have is when you generate a 3D effect, you're doing this by taking a left eye, right eye video image. These images, once they're properly edited and produced, are squeezed and combined into a single frame of HD, and then recorded to Blu-ray. So then the Blu-ray, if you were to see the raw footage from the Blu-ray on a standard monitor, you'd see two squeezed images side by side. And our monitors are designed then to separate and interlace those two full frames of video. So that's the process.
Excellent. Well, I sampled them myself. We're actually, we're showing pictures of the monitors to our members as well. Very impressive image quality. And does JVC see a future of eventually going to consumer with technologies like this?
Well, of course, when you're looking at monitors designed for production, for the production side of things, then the next thing would be that whether Blu-ray DVDs are going to be produced and delivered to the home as 3D capable, and in that case, if the hardware is out there, then the Blu-ray material will be introduced. You've also got, of course, games that can be in 3D, and so certainly as time goes on, of course, cable and satellite may eventually decide to start generating premium channels like they do HD. It costs you more, but you've got to have it at some point in your life. You just got to have it, right?
Absolutely.
So that's what 3D is heading for.
And how has been the response? I mean, I granted it's professionals that are looking at this audience, but what has been the response to the 3D so far?
It has been fantastic. This is the first year we've shown the LCD panels with this capability. We have a box that produces 2D to 3D conversion that has been used over the last few years for film, standard 2D film conversion to 3D. So there are libraries being built up on past films, so that there will be 3D libraries of past films.
Excellent. Well, we're very excited. I know MTBS, our membership, very excited to see JVC at NABSHOW. We're hoping to see even more from JVC in the near future. And thank you so much for joining us.
All right, and I hope you all enjoy the show. Thank you.
Excellent. We'll report with more from NABSHOW soon enough.